Indices leading to quadratic equation. Example 1. Solve the equation 3 raised to power x raised to power 2 equals to 27 raised to power s over 9. 3 raised to power x raised to power 2 equals to 27 raised to power x over 9. The least base there is 3 and the other base are conformable with 3. So you can see that 9 can be reduced to base 3. 27 can also be reduced to base 3. So if you reduce 27 to base 3, you have 3 raised to power 3 raised to power x. 9 is 3 raised to power 2. This division will turn to division. You apply law of indices. It will be 3x minus 2 because the base are the same. Now, since the base are the same, the answer becomes the power. So take the power 3. The power there is x squared. You take it. The 3 here, the power is 3x minus 2. You take it. So since we have x squared here, it means that this expression is quadratic because the highest power is 2. So rearrange it to give you quadratic equation. You will have this. So if you use factorization method, you have x squared minus 3x plus 2. Multiply first term with the last term. You have 2x minus 2. That is the meaning of this sign. This sign means multiply the first and the last to give you 2s squared. Now look for factor of 2 that you will add together to give you the middle term. The factor of 2 that you will add to give you the middle term. So the factor of 2 is what? 2 and 1. So how will you add 2 and 1 to give you minus 3? So it's going to be, remember that the factor of 2 is 1 and 2, and the factor of 2 can also be minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 2 times minus 1 will give you 2. Minus 2 minus 1 will give you minus 3. So you pick the value. You pick x squared, followed by minus 2x, followed by minus x, and 2. So the middle one, leave the middle one, you will not touch it. Because this one is to get the value that you add to give you this. So on this equation, when you group them in twos, group it in 2, group this one in 2. The first 2, what is common is s. You take s out. If you take s out, that is x squared divided by s, it will give you s. 2s divided by s to give you 2. If you look at this place, you bring down the minus. What is common in this place is only 1. So you produce your bracket. Now because this is minus, when you put your bracket, this plus will change to minus. Pick the value that is coefficient to the bracket. You can see that the value inside the bracket are the same. They are the same. So pick 1, s minus 2. Pick the coefficient of the first bracket, that is x. The coefficient of the second bracket, that is minus 1. You pick it. So you solve them using case 1, case 2. X minus 2 equals to 0. S minus 1 equals to 0. If you solve, our answer will be 1 and 2.